as heavy as I normally would, especially about 2 weeks out. Most I'll probably do is 225. Still keep the reps up high, anywhere between 15 and 20. But everything else, I do go heavy, hammer strength stuff, a little bit more control, environment, if you will. Second set, this one I had a narrow grip. I'm just trying to feel my strength out. I feel a little bit stronger with the narrow grip that I just did, so I'm going to utilize that for the rest of the workout. Technically, this is my fourth set of 20 reps. On this last one, I got my man Zach here spotting me. It's only 225, but again, at 20 reps, the last set, that could also be catastrophic if we're not have the strength up. I just don't want to chance it. You know, it's and to be honest with you, I don't feel strong enough to do 4 or 5 right now. If I did, I would. So I don't purposely decrease the weight. But I just don't feel it. And if I'm not feeling, there's no reason I can get underneath. I can get underneath and push out 2, maybe 3 reps. But I wouldn't feel as if I did anything doing that. So I'd rather do 20 reps at 225 versus 1 or 2 reps at 4 or 5. There you go. Good. 5 more. Come on. Come on, Kevin. Up. Come on. Come on. Yep. Thank you. Kyle Kavnar, ladies and gentlemen. I prefer to stand. I have a little bit more stability and a little bit better control of the weight versus sitting. If I do sit, it's definitely a lighter weight, but I prefer to stand. And I take the bars slightly past a 90-degree angle, just for the stretch of the chest. And when the weights get heavier, you'll see what I do. I usually grab one side and then the other side. Love this machine. Main reason, the way the grips are made, it actually forces you to contract inward. So the motion is constantly from here to here versus out here. So you're constantly contracting the chest. I like my grip to be right about in here, as you'll see in a minute. And it's all chest. There's no cheating. If it's too heavy, can't do nothing but just let it down. I just saw Tricky Jackson is doing the Dallas Europa. I have much respect for that man. He's competed for a very long time. I always like when some bigger names on stage with me. Just makes the competition that much better. The good thing about being here, also, at any given point in time, you can be by yourself working out, but you can always find a spotter. There's a difference with somebody just spotting you and somebody who knows how to spot. Josh is my designated spotter for this set. On 3, 1, 2, go. Come on. 3 more. That's actually a good idea. I like that. Found a new way to spot on this machine. I usually come over. Yeah, that's good. I like that. That's why he's a master trainer here. This is a machine I haven't seen anywhere else other than here. It's similar to what I just got off of the hammer strength bench press, but this has an extra, I guess, 2-in-1. You have a seated dip, or in my case, I like to use that as a standing dip for chest. I like to face it, lean into it, so it's all chest, and take most of the triceps out. You're gonna hit part of your triceps regardless, but majority of what's pushing it should be your chest if you lean out on it, or lean into it rather. There we go.
Me and Kevin knew of each other for a while, but we never, and then I started working up here, and then we kind of would chat here and there about little stuff, and he had a different coach at the time, and you know, we would just talk about different theories and stuff, and so finally Kevin decided to kind of try someone local, you know, and you know, a different approach, and it seems like it's working out well. I'm really happy with his physique. I compare it to his older pictures, and I think he's going to bring a good package.